Hello friends, good evening. Right now we'll be doing our second program today, which will show us the difference between the use of print and the println methods. Okay, I repeat, we'll be displaying the difference of using the print and the println methods. All these are very basic programs to help the beginners of the blue Java language. Okay, we are doing this from scratch so that any beginners can learn it very easily, and we are doing very small programs so which will help them to learn every aspect or every small methods of Java. Okay, now we'll create a new class. We'll rename it. We'll name it as use of print. We'll open the editor window, and as usual we'll remove this code unnecessary. Now we'll start doing it. Now we'll write the two lines. We are writing a few messages over here with the print and the println codes. We'll copy these two codes and we'll replace it with println methods. Okay, it's very easy. We'll now compile this code. The class has been compiled without any error. Now we'll start the void main. C. Now to describe, I'll open the editor window and the terminal window side by side, which will help you all to show us the difference. Okay, now see, in the first print command we have written hello, and in the second print command we have written welcome to Code Too Easy. Okay, our channel name. Now here the output is showing hello, welcome to Code Too Easy, and in the second set of println we have used hello and again welcome to Code Too Easy. But see, the second hello has been printed with the first set of printing outputs. Okay, now what we can understand from this is that the ln commands helps to print the output in a next line, or the printing shifts to the next line when it gets an ln command while executing it, print ln command. So due to this, for the first set of printing, all these statements or the arguments of the println command, which is written in the double inverted comma or in the double inverted quotes, has been printed in a same line, single line, and the second hello has come along with the first hello. first set of outputs, and the second in the second set we have used the ln command, due to which this welcome to code too easy, the second statement, the last state or the last statement has come separately. So I hope with this output and the set of codes written side by side, you will be able to understand the difference of using the ln and not using the print ln command. Okay, so we'll use the ln command when we need to shift lines, and when we need to write everything in a single line, we need to print everything in a single line, we'll just use the print command. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please share it with others, and also please comment on the videos. Also your queries and any kind of suggestions, we'll definitely see to it and will revert you back. Thank you.